Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor full width. This is essential when you want your page design to stretch across the entire screen without any margins or padding, giving you complete control over your layout and creating that modern edge-to-edge look that many professional websites have. Let's start by heading to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section in your left sidebar and select All Pages. This will display all the pages you've created on your site. Scroll down through the list and look for the specific page you want to make full width. When you find it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon labeled Page Settings. Click on this icon to access the global settings for your page. This is where you can control how the entire page behaves and displays. Inside the Page Settings panel, scroll down until you find the Page Layout option. Here you'll see a drop-down menu with different layout options. Click on that drop-down and select Elementor Full Width. This removes the default content area restrictions and allows your sections to span the full width of the browser window. Next, you'll need to adjust individual sections. Click on the handle, which looks like 6 dots on an existing section you want to make full width. This will select that section and open its settings in the left panel. Once you're in the left panel, go to the Layout tab. Here, look for the option labeled Content Width and select Full Width from the available choices. This ensures that the section itself stretches all the way across the screen. If you want your section to also take up the full height of the viewport, find the Min Height setting in the same Layout tab. First, click on the drop-down menu next to Min Height and select VH from the Unit options. Then set the value to 100. This makes the section fill the entire visible area of the screen vertically, which is perfect for hero sections or landing pages. If you want to make multiple sections full width, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. Simply click on each section's handle, go to Layout, adjust the content width to full width, and set the min height if needed. It might seem repetitive, but it gives you precise control over each section's appearance. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustments, head to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Publish if this is a new page, or Update if you're editing an existing one. Next to it, you'll also see Save Draft if you want to save your work without publishing it yet. Click the appropriate button to save all your changes, and there you have it. You've successfully made your Elementor page full width, giving your design that professional edge-to-edge appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.